Hello everyone and a very happy new year 2026 to all. I hope this year brings you lots of success, learning and happiness. Okay, welcome to my channel Technical ArCoAn, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I am going to show you something very exciting, how Python can control your keyboard and type automatically. Okay, this is called keyboard automation. So go to the computer screen, step by step I will discuss today's topic elaborately. So let's get started. Hello friends, today I will discuss keyboard automation in Python. This is also known as the keyboard automation process, right? Actually, with just a few lines of Python code, we can make our computer type messages automatically in Notepad. So this is our program today. Okay, so I'm just moving into the Python IDE and just write the code there. Okay. So now just I am within the Python IDE and here I am write the code for keyboard automation is concerned. Okay, so to do that we need a module here. The module is PyAutoGUI. Okay, so this module is need to install in your system at first. So in that case we just go to our command prompt and just type pip install PyAutoGUI. Okay, and press enter. So it will take some time to install the package within your system. After that we can use this module within our code, and using this module we can do the keyboard automation like tasks, right? So it's just going on, so downloading everything whatever needed for this package is concerned. So it's just installed into my system, and now we just write the code within the Python IDE. Okay, so at first for the comment section is concerned, just write start with hash and just write Python took over my keyboard. Now you use the module at first, so just write import PyAutoGUI. Okay, and just put an alias here, suppose write here pp. Okay, and another module is needed for our program is concerned, import time. Okay, and after that we just print in that way, should shown in the console. So just write here Python automation code. Okay, double quote, parenthesis close. Another print statement is there, just write print and after just write you have 10 seconds to open Notepad. Okay, double quote, parenthesis close. And now after that we just use the sleep method for just stay for 10 seconds. Okay, so just write in that way time dot sleep and send as an argument 10. This is the second. Okay, so actually what happened, we write the code and within the 10 seconds we open a notepad, and on that notepad the Python code automatically typing within that notepad whatever the message we send here. Okay, and after that we send the message, which message is Python will typing within the notepad. Okay, so just write in that way msg equal, and suppose within double quote we just write here Python controls my keyboard automatically. Okay, so just this message should be shown within the notepad, means it will typing on here automatically, and just put a full stop and then double quote end. Okay, and after we use a range for the for loop is concerned, just write for I in range and then just send as an argument here for range is concerned 6. So the argument is 6 means the message will typing for 6 times, because range 6 means 0 to 5, 6 times. Okay, it will counting actually. And the message is like that. pp dot means the PyAutoGUI, this module just used, and the alias is given pp. So pp dot typewrite, and just send as an argument as a formatted string, and in that we send, at first we send the I, and then put a dot, and then put a space, and then just write the message msg. Okay, then curly brace close, and send another argument interval, means between two character how much time it will take for typing is concerned. So that's why just writing interval equal 0.05 second. Okay, then parenthesis close. Okay, and then after that we just write here pp dot press, and just write here the enter, means when the first line typing is complete, then you go to the second line, the cursor. So that's why we just write pp dot press within double quote enter. Okay, and then we just write in that way time dot slip for 1 second. Okay, and outside that, after the complete this code, we just write outside, means it's print within the console only, just within double quote just write Python automation completed successfully, double quote end, parenthesis close. Okay, so just write the code and just save this code. Just go to file, press save, and suppose put the file name is auto underscore python, and the extension we already know by default .py. So the code is already saved within the file auto underscore python.py. Now we run the code, and after that within 10 seconds should open the notepad, because for the first where the cursor is blinking within the notepad, from there the typing will be started by the Python code. Okay, at first we run the code, just press F5, so it will starting, so 10 seconds. So we just open the notepad and just don't do anything from your keyboard. Okay, now see what happened within the notepad is concerned. So it is just typing automatically. The 0 line is concerned, the 1 line is concerned, because we use the range from 0 to that. Just see that it's automatically typing. We don't control the keyboard, because Python is typing within the notepad automatically, and whatever the numbers we are provide as a range 0 1 2 3 4 5, because 6 times it just running for the range is concerned. So if we go to this console, just see what happened. It will show that Python automation completed successfully. Right, I hope you have understood how the Python control the keyboard, and this is called the keyboard automation is concerned. Okay, you already see that Python is typing automatically, and I'm not touching the keyboard, and this is the fully controlled by the Python code. Right, so this is the keyboard automation is concerned. Right, now we change some code within that, and we do the another part of that. So what the change is that now we just want to add one line within the program. So what we do now, after this for loop, we place another line. What happened after the typing is complete? It will save the file. This window will appear automatically. So in that case, we just write pp dot hotkey, and then we send the argument. At first, the control we know the by default the save shortcut for keyboard is concerned control S. CTRL control is the first argument, and the argument is S. Okay. Now save the file. And now again we run it, press F5, yes, 10 seconds. So just open the notepad, just see it will typing automatically from 1 to 5 lines, because we take range from 1 to 6 and hotkey method, it will just open the window automatically for save the file. So at first it completing the typing, and then it will appear, the window will appear, and just see automatically the window is appear, and if you put some file name, it will be saved in the drive as a text file. Right, keyboard automation is concerned. Right, so this is the beauty of the keyboard automation in Python is concerned. But should remember, this automation is only for learning and educational purposes. Right, so please use it responsibly. Okay, I hope you have understood today's video. If you find this video interesting and very helpful, please like this video, share it, subscribe my channel, and also comment in the comment section any doubts for today's video is concerned. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.